Machinery. Today we'd like to talk with you how to select the right material of your cone crusher spare parts. Usually there are three kinds of materials in the market. There are 30% manganese and 80% manganese and 24% manganese. But do you know how to select the correct material for your cone crusher spare parts like metal and concave? We Eco Machinery support 30% manganese and 80% manganese, 24% manganese, and other customized manganese alloy. The more the manganese percent, the harder the material. Let's see our 50 tons of Sandvik H6800 metal and concave. For our clients, we customize manganese alloy material for our clients to crush gold oil. The advantage of our spare parts. Let's see. The first is we can customize material for your particular application.